Thank you for tuning in, Mr. Mitsubishi. Wow, what a great vehicle. This turned out absolutely great. So this is full-on black edition, plus we have 22-inch wheels on this Outlander PHEV. So we just took factory looks Outlander SEL PHEV and turned into this beautiful vehicle. We did a lot of custom work to this to make it look like this. So in this video we'll have a full walk around. We'll have a look from the front, side and rear, just to see how it looks right now, also compared to how it looked before. So let's check it out, what we did to it and what kind of dramatic effect we got. And let's start to check it out. So front, wow, what a huge difference. So it all started with just the regular factory looks, and then we chrome deleted the dynamic shield. We deleted the chrome across the grill, and also we took care of the bottom part right here, so that way it's not silver but it's this nice black. See how it's shiny like this. And also the for the chrome delete we went all gloss black, so that way it really matches on what we have going on. And these lights here, they look like slightly smoked. I wish these headlights would be a little bit tinted, or we could tint it. Unfortunately, as per Canadian laws here, we can't really do that, but that would even look super sharp if we did. So then what we did, we upgraded to 22-inch wheels to give it this dramatic looks. And oh my god, like, it looks really good. I really like how it looks. So size wise, these are 265, 35, 22-inch wheels. I mean, huge rubber, huge wheels, but it looks so good. Then we also deleted the chrome on the roof rails right here, or not the chrome, but made the blacked out the roof rails. And we deleted the chrome around the window as well to match everything else. This time around we didn't put any side moldings on it, just to keep this clean looks. And we also deleted the EV plug-in hybrid EV decal that comes on here, just to keep it, again, everything as black as possible. And from the rear, so here again, this lower part right here, we painted it this gloss black, just to match the black theme and everything else that we have going on. So we blacked out the Outlander, and we also blacked out here this PHEV Super all-wheel control decal as well, to keep everything black and in a unified style, so to speak. I mean, it looks really cool. This is, I think, my favorite transformation on all vehicles. Like, any angle that you look at it just looks so nice. The only two chrome elements that we left is this Mitsubishi logo right here, and we also left it right here, so Mitsubishi logo right here. Otherwise, everything else we deleted. No chrome on this whatsoever. Very nice. No matter which angle you look, this looks so good. And the fact that it has two lights separated like this, it just makes it so much nicer, so much more aggressive. And if we we walk further a distance, like, we can see how cool it looks. I mean, that's just must be the coolest looking plug-in hybrid electric vehicle of all times. What do you think? Leave a comment. No chrome right here, black roof rails. Very cool. And those wheels, I think they look absolutely gorgeous. This one is very good. So this is our new sales demo, Mr. Mitz, and from this angle it looks gorgeous. So this here is SEL trim level. We can have a look at it. We have leather inside. This one has black leather. Very nice, well equipped. Of course, we have the sunroof and everything else. Cool looking car. And in terms of plug-in hybrid, this is what you get. So very nice. This one turned out absolutely great. I honestly think this is my favorite transformation that we've done so far. Looks very cool, very nice to look at. The front, the side, the rear, especially with all deleted here, like, the chrome and this lower part. so we can see how on the, you know, other Outlanders would look right here. And this one is all deleted, all black edition. Very, very nice. So leave a comment if you also like this full black edition with you know, chrome delete and these 22-inch wheels. Curious to see your opinion, feedback. I really like the back part as well. Looks like $1 million. So thank you so much for checking out this transformation. I think it turned out great. Thanks again, and see you in next videos.